Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Shamila and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. Today let's get our hands into making Thattukadu chicken fry. Recently this recipe was viral on Instagram. I made this recipe and it turned out very delicious and crispy. So let's see the process. Bismillah. In a blender add 2 to 3 green chillies. Goes in 4 dry red chillies, or you can also add Kashmiri red chillies. 8 garlic cloves, 2 inch ginger, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. Close the lid and pulse it twice. Once you are done with pulsing, take that 1 tablespoon masala and keep aside. Now take half kg chicken in a bowl, add that mixture. Goes in 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon rice flour. Combine all the ingredients with the chicken and marinate this for an hour or 2 hours. Next step is to heat oil in a pan and drop the chicken pieces. Add some curry leaves in it. Now fry till it becomes tender and crispy. Once done, take out the chicken, drain it in a strainer or paper towel. And next I'm adding 1 tablespoon blended masala in the same oil. And next add freshly grated coconut with some fresh curry leaves. And now fry this till it becomes crispy. Now take out this grated coconut once it turned crispy and brown. Add it on the chicken pieces and serve immediately with your choice of food. So guys, this Thattukadu chicken fry was viral on Instagram. I made this recipe and it turned out very delicious and crispy. So make sure you guys try this recipe and let us know how it turned out for you. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, give me a great big thumbs up below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Please leave your comments and suggestions below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Have a nice day.